All right, everybody. Welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. This video is going to be about cheap, easy way for chicken bedding so they can lay their eggs for nesting, bedding, whatever you may call it. As you see here, we're down here in the south in Florida. We got a pine tree in the yard. So I'm going to take advantage of what nature is providing and all these pine needles. We're going to rake up and we're going to use them for some bedding. I'm just going to rake them all into a pile and then go put them in the box. All right, folks, so what we'll do is let's take the pitchfork and just pull the needles off the top. Just like that. Really, with pine needles and stuff, when you're using fresh dead leaves and stuff like this, a little bit will go a long way in filling a box. So, and I got a pretty good sized pitchfork here, so usually one pitchfork full will do one box. So I've got 5 boxes, so 5 pitchforks, and it works out pretty good. And so just take it, pull a little bit back. Just like that. All right, as you can see, we got a pretty good pile there. So what I'll do is just take this pile. I'm going to walk it over to the chicken coop and put it in the box. There you have it, folks. Just took that. Had to walk across the yard, so open up the gate. But let's put it in there, just like that. Put some in your boxes. And that's a good, easy way to save you a $1 or $2 for buying bedding for your chickens. All natural. And you know what's in it. Obviously, you don't want to make sure there's no big sticks or anything. So here's, actually, oh, that's little ones. Little ones are all right because they do help stuff from moving around because pine needles are slippery. But obviously, no super big sticks in there. I wouldn't go any bigger than my pinky. So I hope that video is informative. Give everybody an idea on what they can do. Folks, even if you don't have pine needles, you can just rake some leaves and stuff up out in the yard. Obviously, you don't want to do it on a nice dry day if possible. Store them in some bags. Go ahead, but usually leaves off the top. You'll be all right. All right, folks. We'll see you in the next video. Be ready for anything wild.